Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to download your simple account transactions in 2025. So if you're looking to download your transaction history on your simple account, this video is going to show you the way. So let's just get straight into it and not waste any time at all. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your simple account. So log into your simple account using your email address and password, and be sure to make sure that you're using the correct login credentials to access your account. And once you're logged into your account, go ahead and click on the account button that's in the top navigation bar. And once you've clicked that, go ahead and select transactions from the drop down menu. So you click on accounts, and then from the drop down menu you click on transactions. Next, you're going to choose a date range for which you want to download your transactions. You can choose a specific date range, or you could choose to select a predefined range, such as the last 30 days, last 60 days, or whatever. Just go ahead and choose a date range for that. And then you're going to be able to select a file format for the downloaded transactions. Simple offers CSV, you have QFX, or you have OFX files format, and you can just choose whichever one that you want to go with to download the transactions. Next, once you've selected that, just go ahead and click on the download button to download your transaction. The file is going to be saved onto your computer's default download location, and you can use that for whatever else you want to use it for. That's pretty much it on how to download your simple account transactions in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.